Hey guys, I'm Darshan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk something about corona. As corona is spreading very badly and increasing every day, we need to take care of our health. It is attacking only most of the people who are not careful and who are not self conscious and who have very low immunity system. To uplift our immunity system, we need to be, we need to take some of the superfoods and vitamin D2 and D3. Vitamin D2 and D3 plays a vital role in our health. It is meant to prevent the diseases. So when we have sufficient quantity of vitamin D2 and D3, and nothing will hopefully attack us. So my dear friends, the important role of vitamin D is to increase the level of calcium and phosphorus and get rid of the diseases. It helps to prevent the diseases like heart attack, cancer, premature death, etc. So, how important it is? We all are waiting for some vaccine or some medicine to come, but you never know how far it is going to help us and how far it is going to suit us. And why to wait? Why not to start the precautions and do something for your own self? So, my dear friends, it's this vitamin D2 and D3 is not available in the much of the food items. So we need to go and get the test done and consult our doctor to take which vitamin D and how much vitamin D is required for our body. So my dear friends, it's only available in very little quantity in orange juice, cheese, and a very particular kind of mushrooms and dairy and plant milk. So it's very little, it's not sufficient. So half an hour in the morning and half an hour in the evening, sun bath is very good for vitamin D, provided you take it regularly. If you take it regularly, you will not get short of it, deficient of vitamin D. But if it is possible, very good. If it's not possible, you have to take the supplements. So my dear friends, I will recommend some superfoods which are going to help you to boost your immunity and keep you very healthy. Those superfoods are very low in calories and they have very high nutrition. And if you take them, you will never gain weight, but you will become very healthy. So, my dear friends, first of all comes the berries. Berries like blueberries, cranberries, and strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, they are very good, very high and antitoxins, but they are not available every time as they are seasonal. So you can have them in dried form. Next comes the beans. All kind of beans are very good. You can have them in the form of dal or in the form of sprouts. Rather, sprouts of mung sabat and green grams and black grams are very healthy. The protein you get from sprouts will not be available anywhere else. So, dal, some of the lentils in the form of sprouts are very good and should be taken every day, 3 to 4 spoons. So, my dear friend, next comes the nuts and seeds. Nuts, everybody knows. Seeds, nowadays it is becoming common. Seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, charmagas, they are available in the market. You can have little every day. And apart from that, dark green leafy vegetables, broccoli, spinach, methi, avocado, kale. they are very important. Again, they are seasonal. So, whenever they are available, you need to take them in enough quantity so that they fulfill your deficiency for throughout the year. Amla, that is also very good. You can add it in your green juice. So, my dear friends, dark chocolates are also very good. You can, it satisfies your sweet tooth as well as good for your health. And jaggery is equally, you can have a little chunk of jaggery after your lunch or dinner. It will give you iron as well as it will help you to boost your immunity system. Then comes the sweet potatoes, that is also very healthy but seasonal. So cauliflower, turmeric, ginger, garlic, and onion. Ginger and garlic have the medicinal properties. If you have arthritis, you can have one piece of garlic, empty stomach in the morning with warm water, and just chew little and have it. Ginger, you can have ginger tea. Onion, you can have with your lunch. Sweet potatoes, you can just have like this, little boil or stew and have it. Then again comes the cauliflower, that is also very good. Cauliflower, and then comes the turmeric. When kachi haldi, raw turmeric comes in the season, you can have tea out of that. Pomegranate, guava, pineapple are the super fruits. One banana every day everybody should take. It carries a lot of value, and it is equivalent to one glass of milk. From children to the old people, everybody should have it. Now comes the white and black sesame seeds. They and makhanas, they are full of calcium. If you take them regularly every day, you need not take a capsule of calcium. It carries a lot of calcium in it. And if you make a chikki with white sesame seeds and black sesame seeds with the jaggery, it is so yummy and so delicious and so healthy. I'll make a video for that also. Then again comes the hummus. Hummus is made out of tahini and chickpeas. They are also very healthy. So, my dear friends, it's very important to take these superfoods and uplift your immunity system in spite of taking the medicines and for all, calcium, phosphorus, fiber. You need not take supplements. You have to take something. It will be good for you, and it will be good for your health, as you will not be taking synthetic and artificial things. These are all natural things. By natural things, you are connected to the earth, which is very, very good. So, my dear friends, kefir and kimchi are meant for vegan people. They can have that. So, I will suggest something at the end. You can always stay positive in negative situations provided you work hard and do it. And life is the toughest school. It will take exams in different stages, but you need to work hard and look for the solutions. Never ever look at the problems, because nobody is without problems. Everybody in every stage, they get the problems, but our duty is to look at and find out the solutions. Never ever look at the problems. So 1 minute of laughter will boost your immunity system. I have already made a video of exercise of laughter. You must laugh for 1 minute at least. It's not difficult. Even when you're alone, or you go in the morning for your exercises and walk, you can always laugh there and enjoy that laugh and uplift your immune system. So, my dear friends, I hope you like my video. Please share, thumbs up, and subscribe it, and I'll be back with another lovely topic. Thanks.